potential police brutality, something that has been in the news as of late for the Law and You. Back with us, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ceramboli. Guys, great to see you. The week is just blowing by here.
Oh man, it's been a crazy week, but good. We're ready to get to it.
Absolutely,
ready for Father's Day.
Yes, it's time for us to enjoy.
Yeah, how about it?
Coming up this weekend. In the meantime, this is something that has been out there as of late, and let's see what we can answer here for Sid in Scranton. I was recently arrested because I was resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and aggravated assault of a police officer when I failed to listen to the police officer's instructions and was a little combative. I have no prior record, and I think the police officer used too much force, and I was injured. What can Sid in Scranton do here, and where is the line here between the law and being against the law?
Yeah, I mean, this has been a hot topic in the news, recently. I mean, we've seen, nationally, there have been a number of instances where the police have crossed the line. But in this particular instance, Sid, I mean, you told us you were resisting arrest. Obviously, you shouldn't be resisting arrest, and then you got combative. I mean, the police, they do have they have a duty to make sure that when they're arresting somebody, they're not, if they're combative, then they can take appropriate steps to make sure that they're subdued. So there is a fine line though between what is appropriate and what is excessive. This one, I don't think it crosses that line.
Well, I have zero tolerance for people who don't follow police officers' instructions when there's a situation going on. The police are in a very, they have a tough job. They deal with this stuff all the time, and people need to follow their instructions. And some of the video that I've seen, recently nationally, I just think people don't have enough respect for law enforcement, and these guys are doing their job. So, from my perspective, you probably deserve the charges you got, and you got to live with it.
All right. If you have a question about anything legally related, you could talk to our attorneys here on the show. And how can our viewers do that?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page or Twitter or Google Plus or any of the social media outlets that we're on. If you have a question, put it on our page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ceramboli. Thanks so much. We'll catch you again next time.
See ya.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com or the Law and You hotline are always open.